Hey there, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a subscriber link. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it.
Disappointed by reality, trying to come back, start something new, build up yourself, it's all to you. Stay strong no matter what they say, you keep getting better every day. Hold your head up, never gonna stop, fierce and proud, stand up and shout. Stand my ground.
As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a subscribers link. For those of you who may not understand what I'm talking about, a subscriber link is taking your link and making it so when somebody uses it and you have per se a website or a blog or something to that effect and you want somebody to come to your channel, rather than just sending them to your channel link, now you can actually send them to your channel and it will automatically pull up a subscribe option for you to get that person to subscribe to your channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a link like that so you could be able to utilize it on your website, on your blog, on your Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, whatever platform you want to. So what you need to do is go over to your YouTube channel and go up to the website address up here and see if I can zoom in. No, it won't let me zoom in. Alright, so you know how you've got this big old long thing here for your website address. What you need to do is replace this last portion here at the end. Now you can just copy it from here and put it into a WordPad or a Word doc and then just swap out the end. You can also type it out yourself and then grab the actual channel identifier from your YouTube studio and then add on to it. There's a couple different ways. I'm just going to show you the quickest way possible just to make it so it's easier for you to get done as quick as you can. What you want to do is take your link right here and you see how it says all these wonderful letters and numbers after your channel link here. It says youtube.com/channel/ then you've got all these different letters and caps and stuff, right? And then you've got slash, featured, question mark, sub, view as subscriber, right? Well, instead of having that featured view as subscriber, what you want to do is take that portion off and then you have just everything before it, youtube.com/channel/ whatever your channel identifier is. And then at the end of it, what you want to do is take all that away so it's just this big portion of your channel identifier. Then you want to add in question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. And so it looks like this. This is the part that you want to add on to your channel identifier. And once you add that on, you take that whole link and copy it. And then you can share it wherever you want to, whether it's on Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, wherever. And then when somebody clicks on your link and they have your channel identifier with that on the end, it will pull them to YouTube, to your channel, and then it will pop up with a question of, do you want to subscribe to this channel? And that is the absolute quickest way to be able to create a subscriber link. Now, I can also show you that I have that same thing right here on my About page. Let's see, youtube.com/channel identifier, and then you get down towards the end and you have right here $sub _ confirmation equals 1. That way, anybody that comes to the channel description that hasn't subscribed already, if they click on this link here, it'll bring them back to the main home screen for the channel and ask them if they want to subscribe. So I hope that was helpful. It's pretty simple just to add on that little piece at the end, and it can actually help out quite a bit to get subscribers. You can use it on your channel description, you can use it on your social media pages, in your blogs, you can share it to your friends and family, and you just give them that full link with that little add-on to the end. It brings them to YouTube, asks them if they want to subscribe, and you're good to go. You just got another subscriber. Again, that is $sub SUB _ confirmation CONFIRMATION =1. I hope you found this episode helpful. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you have any questions, feel free to ask away or even email me. You can drop a comment down below with your question. If you could please put question in all caps, it makes it a lot easier for me to be able to see and differentiate between regular comments and questions. We'd love to see you over in the Hangout group as well on Facebook. We all chat there a little bit more when we're not here in the live streams on YouTube or on other social media. We are primarily on Facebook. If for any reason you don't feel comfortable with asking questions in the comment section below, you can always email me at andrew@consultablindguy.com or consult.ablindguy@gmail.com. It'd be greatly appreciated if you would hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. It will also help you stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more, because YouTube constantly changing the algorithm. If you do not engage with the channel, it may not actually give you your notifications for all your subscription channels. So thank you again for watching today's episode. I hope you have a good one. Until next time, peace out.